Introducing the Z Pro Air Conditioner, a revolutionary cooling solution that seamlessly combines safety, efficiency, and intelligence to deliver unparalleled comfort and peace of mind. The Z Pro Air Conditioner is equipped with a range of innovative features that set it apart from traditional cooling systems. Its encapsulated design not only enhances its durability but also ensures safe and reliable operation. Additionally, the gold fin and triple-layer anti-rust protection work together to prolong the lifespan of the unit, making it a long-term investment in comfort and convenience. Its 3D airflow technology ensures even distribution of cool air throughout the space, eliminating hot spots and delivering consistent comfort. The high-density filter effectively captures dust, allergens, and other particles, promoting cleaner and healthier indoor air quality. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key, and the Z Pro Air Conditioner delivers on this front as well. With its smart control features, users can easily manage and monitor the unit from anywhere, using their smartphone or other smart devices. In conclusion, the Z Pro Air Conditioner is a game-changer in the world of cooling solutions. The combination of its various features along with user-friendly features makes it a prominent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, high-performance air conditioning system.